Presentation and description of Sandra Milena Sierra Medina. This is my family. There are Sofia, Kevin, Mauricio, and Sandra. I introduce myself. My name is Sandra Milena Sierra Medina. I have 30 years old. I'm a little moody, but I'm too much outgoing. I love to dance, so sometimes it's difficult to miss some rhythm. I do not like playing football because I'm very bad. I live in the city of Bogota 13 years ago and I'm very happy. I have read a book recently called Satan of Mario Mendoza and I like much. Have action based on real it. My favorite celebration and sharing in family. My father, my sister, my brother. The celebration that this is the most is that of December. Every year I take my vacation on December 20. After receiving my salary, I bought gifts for my father and my mother, but she has not gone to heaven their months ago. I bought warm clothes with my children and my husband, and I also have a lot of markers because I stay on the farm for a month. For December 30, we have the custom of making tamales and chicha. On January 6th, we always go to the river and make chicken stew. Taking coffee, anything head in the river. The town hall has a live orchestra and we go out dance with my whole family until 10 o'clock at night, but this year it will be different because the engine of the house will no longer be there. During the month of stay, I help with the work on the farm, take coffee and organize the house. I help take care of all the chickens and rabbits my father has. In the village there is a pool and I like to take my children to swim. It is a very hot climate. When I go to village, I always wear light and comfortable clothes because it's very hot. Sharing my family, the chicken, the hens, and the tamales. My domestic task. Every Saturday I do my housework in general. In the week I really mop or clean the desk. On Wednesday I always wash the children's uniforms. Normally after getting up I like the bath. I usually wash the bathroom twice a week, Wednesday and Saturday. And I wake up every day at 5 and make breakfast and then take the children to school. really more in the week as my son does. On Mondays, I always fold the clothes I wash on Sunday. I usually wash the crockery when I get home from work at 7 at night. Generally, I wash the kitchen every month with enough water to remove the grease. My favorite television programs, I like comedy movies and science fiction books like Jurassic Park. A month ago, I read Satan is a real and exciting story. Alice in Wonderland, the origins of Spanish in Latin America. I listen to music to learn English. Alice in Wonderland, Haiti, and Spanish in Latin America. I love watching Haiti or cartoons, but I don't change them. I still see Dragon Ball Super behind. I watch Colombian movies like Bujacoman and the Sacred Esmeralda. I am always taking the children to school at 7 in the morning. And I'm always arriving at home at 7 o'clock at night. Bojacoman, Dragon Ball, clothing for the season of the year. We should wear light clothes in summer. We can wear short and short sleeve blouse and sandals in summer. In winter we must wear gloves and hat. We must wear warm pants in winter. In winter we should always carry an umbrella. In autumn we can wear short or long dress. We can combine skirt with something that shelters us, like a wool jacket in autumn. In spring we can use classic jeans. We can wear short and light colored dress in spring. We can also use cloth tennis and head scarf in spring. Summer clothes: shorts, bikini, shoes, hat, sunglasses, dresses. Winter clothes: jacket, hat, scarf, and gloves. Excuse me. Autumn clothes, coat, skirt, dress, and long coat. Spring clothes: buzos, color dresses, shorts, and glasses. Thank you. Bye.